Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and compare travel prices on Kayak. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for kayak.com. And once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. So there are a couple ways you can go ahead and do that. The first thing could be an AI mode. So for example, I want to do next month or cheapest month to go to Sydney for 7 days, for example. And if I go ahead and click on enter, it's going to go ahead and help with the help of AI to go ahead and create a whole trip. So let me just go ahead and do that. As you can see, it's going to say the cheapest month to fly from Kathmandu to Sydney for a 7-day trip is March 2026. As you can see, now all I need to do is just click on search right over here, and it's going to simply go ahead and show me the cheapest and let me compare as well. So for example, as you can see, there are going to be a couple of the lists that you can see. So let me just show you real quick. So as you can see, there are a couple of airlines. So Thai Airlines, there's also Thai Air Asia, and many more. So you can simply go ahead and compare between these, click on show more, and just go ahead and select one. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.